Pinkbox Las Vegas Donut of the Month. It's called the pumpkin roll. Hmm. Well, I'm gonna go for that bite where the cinnamon is. Well, it's completely unrolling. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? Let's just go for the best part. The part in the middle. Let's just do that right there. The cinnamon roll is good. It's moist and chewy. The pumpkin though, I'm not getting a pumpkin flavor. The pralines are so subtle, they don't really add to anything. They don't add anything to it. Let me try again. It doesn't scream pumpkin, but I'm happy that there's a lot of cinnamon there. The icing is a little too sweet. I think maybe if they had just made if they had kept the bitterness of the pumpkin, because the cinnamon roll itself is already sweet, so I think I would have preferred it like a slightly bitter pumpkin flavor to balance out the sweetness of the cinnamon roll. I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10. I would actually prefer it without that really sweet icing. The pumpkin flavor doesn't really add any value. 7 out of 10.